What if a soldier could see everything at once, command a drone with a glance, and hear AI targeting in their ear? This isn't science fiction anymore. This is Anduril's Eagle Eye helmet, and it's about to change warfare forever. Why Eagle Eye matters. To understand why Eagle Eye truly matters, you first have to see the nightmare of the modern soldier's workload. For nearly a century, infantry gear stayed simple. A rifle, some ammo, and a helmet that was little more than a metal pot for protection. The mission was dangerous, but the tools were straightforward and familiar to every generation of fighters. Today, that simplicity is gone. A soldier is now a walking sensor platform. But none of the systems speak the same language. They carry a radio on their back, a GPS in a pouch, night vision goggles that crush peripheral vision, and a tablet for maps or drone feeds. Every tool runs on its own battery, its own screen, and its own logic. To check a map, the soldier looks down. To fly a drone, they stop moving and grab a controller. To confirm a friendly unit, they flood the radio network. Each action steals attention from the fight itself. The battlefield never pauses, but the soldier is forced to. That constant switching creates deadly gaps in awareness. Seconds disappear while trying to rebuild a mental picture of what's happening. In those seconds, the enemy can shift, set an ambush, or vanish completely. It isn't just inefficient, it becomes lethal. The mental load alone is brutal. Soldiers process targeting data, navigate terrain, and communicate under extreme stress at the same time. Anduril's different play. Traditional defense companies tried to solve this with small upgrades, but the real problem stayed. Technology often became another burden instead of real help, leaving fighters overloaded, distracted, and exposed in moments that demand absolute focus. That's where Anduril Industries steps in. Founded by Luckey, the same mind that pushed the modern VR revolution with Oculus, Anduril approaches defense from a different angle. Instead of waiting for government contracts and spending years building hardware, Anduril uses its own money and a Silicon Valley mindset to build what the military actually needs first. They move fast, test faster, and rethink the system from the ground up. Rather than stacking more gear onto soldiers, Anduril focuses on reducing friction. The goal isn't to add tools, it's to remove confusion, letting humans focus on the fight instead of fighting their own equipment. Lattice, the brain behind Eagle Eye. At the core of everything Anduril builds sits a powerful AI software platform called Lattice. Think of it as the battlefield's central nervous system. It's designed to pull data from every available sensor, from drones and ground systems to satellites and individual soldiers. Then fuse all of it into one clear, real-time picture of the world. Instead of scattered information, Lattice creates a single shared view. Anduril has already proven how strong Lattice is with autonomous sentry towers and drone killer systems operating under its control. Now, that godlike perspective is being compressed and placed directly onto a soldier's head. This software-first approach is the real secret. While other defense companies focused on building better hardware, Anduril focused on building a smarter brain. With Eagle Eye, they finally created the perfect body for that brain. The intelligence comes first, and the gear follows. It's also important to say that technology like this is exciting, but it still has a long road ahead before it truly shapes battles on its own. Eagle Eye isn't magic. It's a powerful step forward, not the final destination. With that in mind, the real story begins with what Eagle Eye actually is. More than a helmet. Eagle Eye isn't just protective gear, it's a modular, AI-powered family of systems that behaves like a soldier's new teammate. Anduril partnered with giants like Meta, Qualcomm, and protective equipment experts at Gentex Corporation to fix the problems that hurt earlier projects such as the Army's IVAS program, especially weight, usability, and information overload in real combat environments. The system is modular by design. There's a lightweight version that looks like rugged ballistic glasses for daytime operations. Then there's the full-face ballistic version. This isn't just a visor, it's a sealed, high-threat helmet with a mixed reality display offering what Anduril calls beyond full-cut protection, designed to stop rifle rounds and reduce brain injuries. Protection is only the beginning. The real power lives inside the display itself. Night vision rebuilt. With the Night Ops configuration, Soldiers aren't simply looking through glass anymore. They're seeing a digital reconstruction of the world around them. The system blends data from low-light cameras, thermal imaging, and other sensors into a synthetic 3D panoramic view with an extreme field of vision, over 200 degrees horizontally and 100 vertically. That's a massive leap from the narrow soda straw view of traditional night vision goggles. This display becomes the canvas for Lattice. It's where the God view comes alive. Friendly forces appear in blue, enemies in red. Boxes can highlight buildings where a drone spotted danger. The helmet knows where the rifle is aimed and can guide shots. Drone feeds appear pinned to real-world locations inside the soldier's vision. And it isn't just sight. Eagle Eye gives soldiers enhanced senses, turning scattered data into instant battlefield awareness. Sensors that see the fight. Built into Eagle Eye are sensors that don't just observe the battlefield, they interpret it. The system can hear the sharp crack of a gunshot and instantly mark the direction of danger on the display. Laser detectors alert a soldier the moment they're being targeted. It can even detect and triangulate enemy radio signals, allowing a soldier to visually track communication activity that would normally stay invisible. All of this data flows through an onboard AI that cuts through the noise and surfaces only what truly matters. Instead of flooding the soldier with information, it prioritizes what's critical and hides the rest, reducing cognitive overload when every second counts. As Palmer Luckey explains, we don't want to give service members a new tool. We're going to give them a new teammate. So, what does that actually change on the ground? It means the way soldiers fight, move, and communicate is about to shift completely. First, for the individual soldier, Eagle Eye delivers a major leap in both lethality and survivability. The AI co-pilot. With AI acting as a co-pilot, decisions compress from minutes into seconds. A soldier can detect a threat, verify it isn't friendly, and engage faster than ever before. At the same time, survival improves. The AI suggests safer paths through dangerous terrain, and the panoramic view ensures fewer blind spots, making it far harder for threats to slip in unnoticed from the edges of vision. Second, at the squad level, Eagle Eye unlocks coordination that used to be impossible. Everyone shares the same live picture of the battlefield, so the unit moves like a single intelligent organism instead of scattered individuals reacting separately. Planning in 3D. The helmet even enables three-dimensional mission planning. Before a single boot hits the ground, squads can build a shared sand table in augmented reality. A squad leader can draw an attack route in the air, and it instantly appears across every soldier's display. That shared awareness reduces confusion and friendly fire risk, transforming disconnected fighters into a true hive mind operating from the same understanding. Third, at the level of warfare itself, Eagle Eye changes what a soldier represents. Instead of acting only as a trigger puller, the soldier becomes a human machine commander. From inside the helmet, one person can guide drones, request fire support, and control autonomous equipment without ever looking away from the battlefield. This pushes complex decisions downward to the lowest level, allowing small units to create the impact of much larger forces. Anduril has already shown its software can cut over-the-air update times from days to just 15 minutes, meaning the helmet and its AI teammate keep learning and improving at the speed of software rather than hardware. Lessons from IVAS. It's important to understand that Anduril's Eagle Eye didn't appear out of nowhere. It's the result of hard lessons from the US Army's troubled IVAS program. Microsoft's HoloLens-based system was criticized for being heavy, awkward, and even causing nausea for soldiers in testing. Instead of copying that approach, Anduril focused on a lightweight, soldier-first design from the very beginning. And that focus changed everything. Rather than forcing technology onto troops, Eagle Eye was shaped around how soldiers actually move, see, and fight. The goal wasn't to impress on paper, but to work under real pressure, in real terrain, with real lives on the line. That design mindset is what separates Eagle Eye from earlier attempts. In September 2025, Anduril secured a $159 million contract to build prototypes for the Army's new Soldier-Borne Mission Command program. This isn't a distant research experiment. Anduril is already on track to deliver roughly 100 of these prototype systems to the Army next year, moving Eagle Eye from concept to the field. We're entering an era where the line between human and machine intelligence on the battlefield is starting to blur. Systems like Eagle Eye are leading that shift. Soldiers aren't just equipped anymore, they're augmented. Their senses are expanded, and their understanding of the world is amplified through AI. From a simple tin lid to a working AI-powered command center, the combat helmet has evolved dramatically. But Eagle Eye isn't just another step forward. It's a redefinition of what a soldier can be. It aims to lift the fog of war, replacing chaos with clarity and vulnerability with awareness. By fusing human instinct with machine intelligence, Eagle Eye delivers the one thing soldiers need most: the advantage. This isn't an upgrade. It's a revolution in a helmet. Hit subscribe, drop a like, and tell me what you think about Eagle Eye.